Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Zimomo. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's start off by drawing the shape of the head. Let's draw a large curve across. Then from both ends, let's curve it down and in. And a curve across the bottom. Now let's hop inside, and near the top, let's draw a V-shaped point. And let's add a zigzag line out on both sides. And continue it downwards like this. Now in the bottom section, let's draw the eyes. Let's start with two curves going out and up. And then let's draw a large curve down and back up underneath. Now inside each eye, let's draw a large oval. Now inside the oval, let's draw two curves down and two more underneath. Now let's add a smaller one in the same way next to it like this. And that's it for the eyes. Now let's hop to the center and draw the nose. We'll start with a small curve across. And then a V-shaped point down and back up. Next, on top of the nose, let's draw three small black dots. And then next to each of the eyes, we're going to draw four dots in the same way. Now let's hop down and draw the mouth. Let's start on the left next to the eye, and let's draw a long curve down and bring it up on the right side. Now underneath for the teeth, let's start in the center and let's draw two V-shaped points. And let's add three more going out on both sides. Now let's hop on top and draw the ears. In the center, let's draw a curve up to the left and back down. And the same thing on the right side. Now let's hop in and let's draw another curve up in the same way. Now from the bottom, let's draw two curves up to the center, meeting at a point. And that's it for the head. Now let's hop down and draw the body. Underneath, let's leave a gap and let's draw two curves down for the sides of the body. Now let's hop out, and for the arms, let's draw a curve down and the same on the right side. And let's bring it in with a zigzag line. Now underneath, let's draw the hands. Let's draw a small angle out and curve it back in and up. And one more bump for the thumbs. Now let's hop back in and let's continue drawing the body. At the bottom in the center, let's draw a small curve. Then let's draw 2 curves down and out underneath. And 2 more on the sides. Now let's close off the bottom of each leg with a zigzag line across. Now for the feet, let's draw 2 diagonal lines underneath each leg. Then let's angle it back up and in. And one more V-shaped point in the center. And that's it for the feet. Now let's hop back up inside the body, and on the right, let's draw a small curve down under the head. And another one under this one. Now let's add 2 small lines down underneath. And then a circle at the bottom. And lastly, on the body here, let's draw some bumps for the fur. And that's it for the main part of the body. Now we're going to draw the tail. In between the legs, let's draw an angle down to the right. And now let's continue it on the other side of the foot, curving it out. Next from the end, let's curve it back up and in on an angle. And then add 4 spikes on top. And that's it for Zimomo. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!